Well, thanks for visiting us this morning. I'm meteorologist Josh Marshes with a special Saturday update for you on the potential of some severe weather occurring maybe later this morning or through the afternoon hours today. As of the recording here, just before 9 a.m., we do have a few storms that are set to move into Texas and Oklahoma that are not severe, but as we continue through the morning, the conditions may line up for a few hours that we could see mainly some wind and hail with the storms today, but we can't rule out maybe just an isolated tornado as well. But you can see here the Storm Prediction Center. The areas in yellow, which is most of Arkansas and Louisiana and a good chunk of East Texas as well, and that slight risk outlook. Again, the outlooks are rated on a scale of 1 to 5. This is a level 2 threat, 5 being the worst, so we do expect maybe to see some scattered severe storms today, but we do not expect to see any widespread severe weather, what you may consider an outbreak. But we are watching the window here maybe opening up in the next few hours. So what's happening today, we've been talking all week about this very strong cold front that will be moving in, and you can see this area of low pressure, which is out in Oklahoma, which is kind of dragging that cold front with it. Now, the cold air won't get here until tonight, but with this front coming in, some of the ingredients will come together to maybe see a few strong storms. But interesting to note here, just kind of looking at the high resolution models, this is one of the ones that we look at here. We're looking at what is called CAPE, or convective available potential energy. Just think of this as fuel. You got to have fuel in your gas tank to drive your car. Well, storms have to have fuel as well to kind of feed off of, and notice that fuel is lacking this morning along the I-30 corridor, so that's why we're not seeing anything as far as severe weather. Now, the fuel may start to improve here this afternoon, so we're hoping to maybe get the storms through as quickly as possible, but we will be watching closely some of these areas, especially in Louisiana and Arkansas this afternoon. But notice the fuel kind of moves out of here once we get closer to sunset tonight, so we will not carry that severe weather threat past, I would say, 4 or 5 p.m. today. And just looking at the rotation potential here, you can see not many ingredients to see any rotating severe thunderstorms here across the northern Arklatex, but again, maybe a window here, especially across Louisiana and Arkansas once the temperatures start to warm this afternoon. And it will be warm today. May have highs in the 70s and low 80s before that big temperature drop tonight. But again, the fuel for even some tornadoes to occur moves east of us pretty quickly as we go through the afternoon hours today. Now, let's show you everything on Futurecast. I want to time out the storms for you. You can see this line maybe coming together this morning. So we do show the storms through the Texarkana area by about noon today. We could have some storms in the Shreveport area early this afternoon as well. But notice how the line kind of fizzles out here as we go through the afternoon. But there's 4 or 5 p.m. Still can't discount maybe a strong storm out there as we approach sunset tonight. But the severe weather threat, again, that window closes pretty rapidly at 6-7 p.m. There will be a little delay here as far as the cold air, but it will come through tonight. Your temperatures tonight will drop into the teens and 20s, maybe one of the coldest nights we've had since we had the snow and ice last February. And it's kind of interesting. This is one of the high resolution models that updates every hour, and it is showing maybe some lingering rain tomorrow morning. And if that were to occur with temperatures in the teens and 20s, that obviously would not be rain. That would be maybe some snow flurries and snow showers. So we have a little window here where we can see that if the rain lingers into Sunday morning, which should obviously be neat to see, but we wouldn't expect to see any accumulation since the precipitation would be very light in nature early on Sunday. Taking a look at the wind chill, this will be kind of sobering. Again, after breaking record highs the whole month of December, we start out January here with one warm day, but here comes the cold air tonight. This is your wind chill when you factor in temperatures that will be in the teens and 20s, and you get a 15 to 20 mile per hour wind out of the north. Tomorrow morning at sunrise, if you're going outside, feel like it's about 4 degrees in Idabel. It will feel like it's in the teens in Texarkana and Shreveport, and that wind will be with us all day. So you can see even in the afternoon, our air temperatures without the wind will likely be in the upper 30s, low 40s, but with that wind going all day, you can see the wind chills never make it up to 30 degrees, so it may feel like it's in the 20s throughout the day tomorrow. So if you do have any outdoor plans here on your Sunday, make sure you're layered up, and honestly, probably just a good day to find something nice and comfortable to do inside. But I'll keep you guys updated later today. Thanks for visiting us again this morning at ArklaTexHomepage.com.